welcome back to today's birthday maintenance. I'm here with Shadi and we're doing our first lash set. Now we're doing something before now. I got settings. Anyways, so I want to let you guys follow her business page.
About face 876 on Instagram.
Yeah, so look at this now when I come back. Yeah. Guys, when you're doing lashes, what type of lashes do you guys do? Classic, hybrid, volume, and do you guys normally do bottom lashes? Let me know in the comment section. But what I can definitely say though, people, my first experience with her, it was very smooth, welcoming, warm, friendly. Nothing didn't hurt me. I didn't feel any pain. No lash went in my eyes. Like right now, I'm speaking to you guys right now. It's like 20. I say like over 24 hours, and my lashes feel normal. I don't feel uncomfortable. She always check to see if I'm okay. Yeah, man, it's really nice. Guys, lash finally done. I actually did my bottom lash too. People may love it. First I'm doing lashes, volume, I'ma love it. So make sure you go book my girl, you know. Until I say Peter Gay. Yeah. So ear later, nails later, maintenance done. So yeah. Okay, guys, so my ear just came raw because we're gonna actually put on the wig cap right now. So the wig cap is on with some spray to ensure that it's dried properly. After which, we're gonna cut the lace off and apply some glue, either 2 to 3 layers of glue. I can't remember how much was it. Guys, this is a 10-inch 13 by 4 bob wig, human hair. As you guys know, if you want a good ear them, link me because I have a business page, Pete's Varieties and More on Instagram. Ensure that you guys follow. 100% human hair. So she did the install, she melted, she applied all the stuff which is required. So right now she's actually doing all the baby hairs. People, I can do baby ears to save my life. Anywho, this is actually Tammy as well. She's located in the, what can I say, Rima area, Trenchtown, Rima, near that side, I would say. So our information will also be on the screen if you need it as well. So we're just melting the edges right now, and then after which she's gonna cut the layers because she did do some layers before as well. And this is actually the finished product. Guys, let me know if you like my hair. Comment below. And look at that. Look at that. Install eats. Left no crumbs. So right now I'm just feeling myself, of course, taking out. Guys, my into prunes now to get my fingers and my toes done. So let's go and check her. So that's what's up. Yeah, so she's actually preparing to get my nails done right now. So of course you have to cut it down to my required size because I am not able to manage those long lengths. So this is a small, well, short, I will say, my length. Everyone knows this is what I can manage, right? Because I gotta hook and all these things. I can't put on those claws. Simple, nice and girly, blue and pink. Guys, let me know if you like my nails. And what I'm doing right now, I'm actually doing my toes. What them say? From your toe white, your tight. How that them say? You can never go wrong with a white toenail. But yeah, people, I really, really love my nails. So yeah. people. Like I'm feeling myself. Nails done, lash done, hair done, toe done, everything ready for my road trip for tomorrow. So I actually went to Crossroads now to go to Tree to go home. Alright, so yeah, I'm actually in Chester's right now. I'm gonna grab something to eat. So yeah, put them out. This leg and rib. Yeah, leg and thigh.
Flavor drink.
So that only have a flavor I have.
Like fruit punch.
Yeah, fruit punch. How much wedges I get? 3?
Yes.
I want for the extra 2 more wedges. Yeah, give me that too. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks. Hey guys, this is my Chester's wedges. I'm a chicken. It tastes like Popeyes but crispier and drier, I guess. But yeah. So guys, so this vlog has actually come to an end. I finished at my Chester's. I collect a cake from Colette, which is one of my coworkers. She kept a cake sale. So may I gear up for my trip for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that vlog. We're going in the that's a country. Not more as a country. But we're in a different parish. It's gonna be a full day. Start on my fit right there. I'm not sure this are for tomorrow. I'm not see if I can edit that vlog now because right now on my phone I have like 34 minutes of storage. So you know so this stuff will get clean. Oh, so thank you guys so much for watching and I see you guys tomorrow.